Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting both devices discoverable and on the same network. This reduces permission friction. Once done, enable Bluetooth on phone and Android TV so they can see each other. Then sign into the same Google account to sync casting, apps, and permissions. Make sure your router isn't isolating clients, otherwise devices can't communicate. Now, open the phone's Quick Settings and Android TV's Settings app. You're ready to initiate casting and pairing without delay. You now initiate the actual connection. From your phone, tap Cast in Quick Settings or open Google Home, select the Android TV device, and choose Screencast or Cast Screen. On the TV, accept the incoming request and give permissions for media and input control. If prompts ask to allow remote control or pairing codes, confirm them. This links input methods. If you use an external HDMI stick, make sure CEC is enabled on the TV, so remote controls and wake commands. You finish by testing playback. Play a video, check audio sync, and try remote commands. If performance is poor, make sure apps and firmware are updated, then reboot both devices and the router. Once done, repair Bluetooth and retry casting. If it still fails, clear the Google Home or Cast app cache and confirm network client isolation is off. A single troubleshooting tip: restart the router and devices before deep dives. It resolves most transient discovery and streaming issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.